How to fix screen share audio not working on Discord. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. So in today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can fix the screen share audio not working on the Discord app on your Android smartphone. So just make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now there is a simple way to fix this. All you have to do is just go ahead and launch the Discord app. And once you launch the Discord app, tap on the little profile icon from the bottom right. And then you'll come to your profile settings page where you simply have to look for the option called voice. In this case, as you can see under app settings, we have the option called voice, and that you can also currently see that it is set to push talk. And what you want to do is you want to change this to just tap on it, and then you have input mode at the very top right. So just tap on the input mode button again, and at the bottom you have two options, push to talk or voice activity. So in order to fix the screen share audio not working, we're just going to select the option called voice activity over here, and this should 90% of the time solve your problem. And just try to see if that works. If it doesn't, then also make sure to update the Discord app to the latest version. Check if the Discord app has an update, then if it has, make sure to update it as well. Hopefully this video helps you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.